So the motor turned up, which is certainly a very interesting device, and I've put some Stanley blades in because I sat there thinking about it for a while, and I thought, I'll tell you what, I need to find a way of making sure the coil assemblies don't come into contact with the magnets, and there's so little space there. So that is going to be the main challenge. You can see that's good, because when it's got the 4 Stanley blades in, it bounces up everywhere because it's not touching the sides. So I had seen a couple of videos where people were obviously struggling to get it all centralized, so that may be one method of doing it. Obviously the Stanley blades have to come out, but by that time hopefully everything's fixed. Another problem I've got is I don't have a bearing, I don't have a spindle, I suppose you call it, that matches that. What I do have though, I have that which fits on over the top, and somewhat interestingly I have this which the guy sent, and I think the bearing fits in the back there on the washing machine, but I thought this would possibly make a cool blade hub. Like that. So yeah, there's definitely a challenge there, but that's cool how it just slides up and down, because what happens if I take the Stanley blade out, Stanley blades, it will just stick to one bit, but you can see how it's bouncing up and down. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's the motor. So looking forward to trying to do something with it, but that will be a challenge, not having the spindle, because you'll have to get it perfectly aligned somehow. If I can get it perfectly aligned, then we're good to go. Big up.